Your soft shoes jump so high, jump so high. Many lively touchdowns. I met him in a cell in New Orleans. Down and out, he looked at me to be the very eyes. As he spoke right out, he talked of life, talked of life. Laughing, slapping his legs down. Said the name of Jangles and he danced away. Across the sun, ran his stance for a better stance. Then he jumped so high, and then he clicked his heels. He let go loud, let go loud. Shook back his clothes all around. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, won't you dance? Said I answer those in minstrel shows and county fairs throughout the South. He spoke with tears of 15 years how he's going traveled about. Heard his dog up and down, he up and down. After 20 years he still dreams. Said now I dance at every chance in honky tonks, for drinks and tips. But most of the time I spend behind these county bars. As I drink a bit, shook his head. And as he shook his head, I heard someone ask him, please, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, won't you